Okay, YouTube, yes, YouTube family and friend. Mr. Maxwell is here again in another video. Yesterday we do some curry rundown fish. Yeah, some curry rundown fish with some banana and dumpling. As I can see, this is my flour knead already. So it's a time. My banana, a piece of yellow yam, some piece of, we have two sweet potato. So the fish them clean up and ready and waiting. So guys, when you see we return, we're going to put on the pot on fire now. I'm going to start the ball rolling, so we soon return. Okay guys, as I can see the pot them are on the fire now, the pot for the food, and you can see the pot for the fish. So we have the pot for the fish, so on the pot. So when the pot start boil up guys, we're going to put in our food. As I can see, we're going to put in our food guys. So we soon return again guys. Soon as we put in the food and everything, we return. Okay guys, as I can see guys, I have the pot on the fire with some garlic with a little oil. We're going to put a tablespoon of curry. We're just going to burn, let it burn. So we're going to leave that burn with some garlic. Yes guys. So soon return again. Okay guys, I can see the garlic is burning. We're going to put in our seasoning, so our onion, tomato, scallion and pepper. Yes guys. So we're going to let this stir fry. So we're going to let this stir fry down. Let it stir fry. It smells so nice. Guys, we're going to throw in our milk. We're going to throw in our milk guys. We use 2 coconut, 2 Grace coconut powder. We use 2, so we're going to throw in our milk. Wow, that's up, wow. So guys, we're going to allow this to boil till it come. We're going to allow this to boil to a couple of minutes. And we're going to season it, put in our salt and our stuff into it. Okay? So guys, so we'll soon return after we put in our milk. We soon to wipe out the stove messed up. So, okay guys, our milk is in the cloth. So guys, yes, as I can see, the milk is in the pot. So we soon return again. Okay guys, so you can see the pot is boiling up for our dumpling. We put in the food. So we're gonna make our dumpling. I'm going to oil here. This one. Guys, so we're putting dumpling in a pot. So yes guys, you are putting dumpling into the pot. Guys, so I put dumpling in the pot. So we soon return again. Okay guys, as I can see, the food is in the pot, so I put some salt in it. So guys, the banana and the dumpling, the yam, that. Yes guys, I can see. Yes guys, so I cover it down guys. As you can see our curry now guys, as you can see our curry, we're gonna put some salt in, we're gonna season it down now guys. You can see guys, it's coming down. Yes guys, see? Yes guys, it's coming down. So we're gonna put some salt. A little salt, not plenty. Don't want it salt. And see it coming down to oil guys. So we're gonna season him up, put in our little season, black pepper and so forth guys. Get some black pepper. Okay. A little Maggi all-purpose. Okay guys, and see it's coming down. Wow. So you're going to put in a scotch bonnet pepper, but you're not going to burst it. Okay. So I put in a scotch bonnet pepper. Taste the salt into it. Yes guys. Yes guys. So I want to leave that. I'm going to leave it to cook down guys. Because the fish going to spring water, you know, so don't want this long water into it. You don't want that long water into it, see it? You don't want the long water into it, see it guys? So we're going to cook it, but it's still cook down for a little more before we put the fish in it. So guys, we soon return. We are back again guys, and we're going to put in our fish this time guys. Yeah, we're going to put in our fish this time. Okay, you can see the fish, clean up and everything. So we're going to put in our fish. Okay guys, you can see our fish in our curry guys. We're going to put in some okra on the top now guys. We'll put in some okra on the top. We'll stay there and simmer guys. Yes guys, you cover it up a couple minutes. Really and truly when you're cooking curry, run down, you don't cover it. But we're going to cover it if it go and steam. You can see the food is boiling guys. So guys, we soon return back again. Guys, as I can see my curry fish guys, look on it, it looks so beautiful. Guys, look at our curry fish guys. So beautiful guys, look at our curry fish. Yes guys, you can see. Yes guys, it's cooking down guys. Look at our curry fish. It looks so beautiful and yummy and nice. Tastes nice. Yes guys, look at our curry fish, you can see. Food is boiling, banana and dumpling, boiling. Yes, curry fish is coming on. Yes guys, so let me turn again guys. Soon return. Yes guys, look back my curry fish guys. Look at my curry fish. Wow. So it look pretty and nice. Yes guys, my curry lobster with my banana and dumpling guys. That is it guys. Yeah, that is it, our curry guys. That is it guys. Banana and dumpling upon pot of boil. Yes guys, so you can see the dumpling and the banana and the yam and the sweet potato. Curry fish that side there guys. Yeah. So when I say return, I will present our curry fish to you guys and you not judge it. Okay? Okay guys, as you can see my curry fish is ready. My dumpling and my banana and my yam, sweet potato ready to. So here we guys, I will present this to you now. You're going to be the judge. So here we soon forward, we're going to share it out, put it in front of you. You'll be the judge. Okay? Soon return. Okay guys, as I can see, our core fish dumpling and banana is ready guys. Yes guys, see? Look at it and tell me. Oh, it looks so nice guys. Our curry fish, dumpling and banana. See it there? With some okra on top guys. Yes guys. Eat dumpling and banana, sweet potato, a piece of yellow yam. With our curry fish in coconut juice. Yes guys, with okra. Okay. Yes guys. So continue to like and share and subscribe guys. Yes, tell me about this curry fish this evening guys. Yes guys. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Like, share, subscribe. Yes guys, continue guys. I'm gonna big up on yourself. Happy New Year when it returns guys. Yeah, just around the corner. I'm so sorry. You know, it's my Christmas dinner, what I was doing, cause my camera, guys, I have some problem with my camera, guys, and I can't get the one what I want. That's why I don't see this. I work on this one. I never know it will work, but it worked for me today. So guys, bless upon yourself. Go and big up. Have a wonderful new year. I wish you a Merry Christmas, a past and gone. I'm sorry, but I wish you a many, I got just God blessing upon you for this new year. I hope everything goes well for you this year. Thanks, we are out.